So hello guys, another question video for this day. So basically right now I'm trying to install a steering rack. I got the manual one. I have no idea from what car it is, but basically it says 11266724 steering rack. The guy from I bought it told me that it's from an E30, so it's a manual steering rack. But then I tried to fit it, but then I came across the problem. So basically this universal joint doesn't really reach. Do I need to look for like a universal joint, or can I modify this one? I don't know if you can take it apart, because I now have another section down on the floor, you can see, and that one is like tiny little one, and obviously it doesn't do the work and doesn't really fit a car. And then underneath I have is the steering rack, and I believe this one is from E36, 2.8 liter one, with the number is 1137481. So yeah, this one doesn't fit as well, because then that universal joint is basically too long for this one, and then I need another universal joint for this one, because kind of tried to put it in, went with like 7-ish washers, and kind of fits in and kind of like matches the length and from one wheel to another wheel hub. But the problem is that it basically I can't reach with the universal joint. And then that there is another problem. I have a third option, and you will see it right now. So this is the third option. So I took like this universal joint for like steering column out of this car, and I was thinking maybe I can reuse this kind of steering rack, but the problem is that I pop off the ends. They were like attached with basically around with the zip ties, and then basically all the power steering fluid just dripped down. And then that means that basically all the seals are busted, and the steering rack is not good. Yeah, I need some restoration or something, like as I said, like in previous videos. Don't have much time to do that, because I need this car be on the wheels as soon as possible for the summer, and then probably in September, October, or November we're gonna do the full bolts and nuts restoration. So everything gonna be stripped again down to the bare metal shell, and I'm gonna repaint the car as well, like gonna treat the rust and everything. So yeah, but not about that. I'm just thinking maybe some of you guys have a steering rack, from a power steering rack for from BMW E30. Maybe you're willing to sell it, because the previous two ones that I bought, the manual one and the power steering, that was actually from E36. I didn't know that. Now I know. I didn't check on the spot, but yeah, I guess that's my own mistake. But yeah, they don't fit, and this one I can't put it because it basically leaks oil, and there's no point of killing a power steering pump and then ruining everything. So I'm just kind of like in a pickle right now, because I don't have a steering rack, working one at least, that fits. So yeah, if you have something to offer me, just feel free in comment section down below, via Instagram at handbellcars, or email handbellcars@hotmail.com. But probably until then, we'll probably come up with another E30 problems that I need some solutions and some suggestions. And yeah, probably see you next time, guys. Cheers.